Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home garden decor ideas. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating world of beautiful hanging basket garden design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Hanging basket garden design, these elevated floral arrangements, offer a unique and versatile way to introduce beauty and life to any outdoor or even indoor space. Let's delve into the intricacies of this delightful gardening practice. To begin our exploration, let us define the essence of hanging baskets garden design. At its core, this refers to the art and science of cultivating plants within containers that are suspended above the ground. These containers, commonly known as hanging baskets, can be crafted from various materials such as wire, plastic, cocoa coir, or even repurposed items. The design aspect encompasses the careful selection and arrangement of plants, considering factors like color, texture, growth habit, and seasonal appeal, all within the confines of the hanging basket. Furthermore, it involves understanding the specific needs of the chosen plants regarding sunlight, watering, and soil composition to ensure they're thriving in this elevated environment. Hanging baskets are not merely about planting flowers in a suspended pot. They represent a deliberate design choice to maximize space, add vertical interest, and bring nature closer at eye level, transforming ordinary areas into vibrant and engaging displays of horticultural artistry. Now, let's consider the compelling advantages of opting for hanging baskets in your garden design. Firstly, they are exceptional space savers. For those with limited ground space, such as apartment balconies or small patios, hanging baskets provide an opportunity to cultivate a diverse array of plants without occupying precious floor area. Secondly, they offer a unique visual dimension to your garden. Suspended at different heights, they create layers of color and texture, adding depth and dynamism to your outdoor aesthetic. Thirdly, hanging baskets can provide protection for your plants. Being off the ground can deter certain pests like slugs and snails, and also prevent accidental trampling. Moreover, they allow for greater control over soil conditions. You can tailor the potting mix specifically to the needs of your chosen plants, which might be difficult to achieve in in-ground gardens with varying soil types. Additionally, hanging baskets offer flexibility and portability. They can be easily moved to optimize sunlight exposure or to create different visual arrangements as desired. Finally, the close proximity of the flowers and foliage in hanging baskets allows for more intimate enjoyment of their beauty and fragrance. How do I decorate my hanging baskets? Garden design to look beautiful. Creating visually stunning hanging baskets involves a thoughtful approach to decoration. Consider the thriller, spiller, and filler concept. The thriller is a tall, upright plant that serves as a focal point. The spiller is a trailing plant that cascades over the edges of the basket, adding movement and softness. The filler comprises bushier plants that fill the space between the thriller and spiller, providing fullness and color. Pay close attention to color coordination. You can opt for a harmonious blend of complementary colors for a soothing effect, or choose contrasting hues for a bold statement. Consider the texture of the foliage as well, mixing fine and broad leaves for added visual interest. The container itself plays a role in the overall aesthetic. Choose baskets that complement your home's style, whether it's rustic cocoa coir for a natural look or sleek metal for a modern vibe. Don't forget to consider seasonal interest. Select plants that will provide blooms or attractive foliage throughout the growing season. Adding small decorative elements, such as miniature garden ornaments nestled amongst the plants, can also enhance the charm. Finally, ensure the placement of your hanging baskets is strategic. Consider the backdrop, the amount of sunlight the area receives, and the overall flow of your outdoor space to maximize their visual impact. What are the best plants for hanging baskets garden design? Selecting the right plants is key to stunning hanging baskets. Think thriller, spiller, and filler. Thrillers are your upright stars. Consider vibrant geraniums for sunny spots, delicate fuchsias for shade, or colorful upright petunias for continuous blooms. Spiky salvias add height and attract pollinators, while even some cordylines offer a striking vertical element with their foliage. Spillers are the trailing beauties that cascade over the edges. Lobelia offers masses of small, colorful flowers. Wave petunias are vigorous and create a floral waterfall. Sweet potato vine provides elegant foliage in various shades. Verbena offers clusters of colorful blooms with a lovely trailing habit, and bacopa adds delicate white, pink, or blue flowers with a soft, cascading effect. Fillers occupy the space in between, adding fullness. Versatile begonias come in many forms. Impatiens thrive in shade with continuous, delicate flowers. Coleus offers vibrant and patterned foliage. Calibrachoa, or million bells, produces a profusion of small, colorful blooms. Finally, Diacia adds a soft, airy touch with its delicate spurred flowers. When choosing, ensure your plants have similar light and water needs for a happy, thriving basket. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best hanging baskets garden design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The classic summer bloom. Imagine a burst of traditional summer cheer with vibrant scarlet geraniums standing tall as the thriller, their velvety petals catching the sunlight. Cascading below, a profusion of pure white petunias spills over the edges, creating a soft, cloud-like effect. Filling the space between is a mound of rich blue lobelia, its delicate flowers adding a cool contrast and a touch of whimsy to this timeless combination. 2. Shady elegance. Perfect for those less sunny spots, this design exudes sophistication. Graceful fuchsias take center stage with their delicate, pendulous blooms in striking bicolors like pink and purple, or red and white. Variegated ivy, with its trailing stems of green and cream, provides a lush and textured spiller. Completing the look are elegant begonias with their intricate leaf patterns and subtle blooms in shades of pink and white, adding a touch of refined beauty to the shaded haven. 3. Tropical delight. Bring an exotic touch to your space with this vibrant combination. A bold cordyline, with its sword-like leaves in shades of bronze, burgundy, or even striped variations, acts as a dramatic thriller. Trailing lime green sweet potato vine cascades, energetically, offering a vibrant contrast in color and leaf shape. Nestled amongst them are cheerful orange calibrachoa blooms, resembling miniature petunias and adding a continuous burst of warm, tropical energy. 4. Pollinator paradise. Create a haven for beneficial insects with this thoughtfully chosen selection. Upright purple salvia, with its nectar-rich flower spikes, acts as an irresistible beacon for bees and butterflies. Trailing pink verbena adds clusters of small, vibrant blooms that pollinators adore. Delicate white bacopa fills the gaps, providing a soft backdrop and additional nectar sources, making your hanging basket a buzzing hub of life. 5. Textural interest. This design focuses on the beauty of foliage, offering a unique visual experience. A spiky ornamental grass, like feathergrass or fountain grass, provides an upright, airy thriller with movement. Silvery trails of Decandra, silver falls cascade, dramatically creating a shimmering effect. The filler is a vibrant mix of coleus varieties, showcasing a stunning array of leaf colors and patterns, from deep reds and purples to bright yellows and greens, offering a constantly evolving visual. Tapestry. 6. Monochromatic magic. Achieve a serene and stylish aesthetic by focusing on different shades of a single color. Imagine upright lavender petunias as the focal point, their soft hues creating a calming presence. Light purple wave petunias spill generously over the sides, adding a flowing element in a lighter tone. Completing the look are bushy lilac calabrachoa, providing a slightly deeper shade and adding fullness, resulting in a harmonious and visually soothing display. Seven, kitchen herb garden. Combine beauty with practicality by creating a hanging basket brimming with culinary delights. Upright rosemary or basil offers fragrant foliage and vertical interest. Trailing thyme or oregano spills over the edges, ready for snipping. Compact. Parsley or chives fill the space, providing fresh herbs within easy reach, making this a functional and aromatic addition to your kitchen or patio. 8. Succulent showcase. For a low-maintenance and architecturally interesting option, explore the world of succulents. A striking echeveria, with its rosette shape and unique texture, acts as a captivating thriller. Trailing strings of pearls or Senecio raulianus cascade, like delicate green beads. Smaller sedums in various shapes and colors fill the basket, creating a drought-tolerant and visually fascinating display that requires minimal watering. 9. Autumnal hues. Transition your garden into the rich colors of fall with this seasonal design. Upright ornamental kale or mums in shades of burgundy, purple, and cream provide a bold focal point. Trailing vinca vine, with its deep green or variegated foliage, offers a lush spiller. Colorful pansies or violas in warm autumn tones like orange, yellow, and deep red add a cheerful and long-lasting filler, extending the beauty of your hanging baskets into the cooler months. 10. Winter interest. Extend the beauty of your hanging baskets even into the colder months with a resilient selection. Small, upright conifers like dwarf junipers or heathers provide evergreen structure and vertical interest. Trailing ivy or creeping jenny adds a touch of green that persists through winter. Colorful winter pansies or primroses offer surprising pops of color even in chilly weather, bringing life and vibrancy to your winter landscape. Hanging basket. Garden design is a wonderful way to add beauty and life to any space, big or small. By understanding plant selection and design principles, you can create stunning vertical displays that bring nature closer. We hope this guide from Garden Decor Designs has inspired you to try your own hanging baskets. Experiment, get creative, and enjoy the process of nurturing your elevated gardens. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We encourage you to experiment with these ideas and create your own unique hanging basket masterpieces. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring garden design tips, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Happy gardening!